These shoes. As soon as I bought these shoes, I knew it was a huge waste of money. And my Peloton, same thing. As soon as I bought it, I took my first ride, it hurt my taint, and I never rode it again. What's up, gentlemen? So there's some things that you buy that you love like from the jump, right? You're like, oh my God, I love it. And then you keep loving it. And then there's some things that you buy that you know right from the start, this was a huge, colossal waste of money and you regret it. Today, I'm gonna go over that list. Some items that you shouldn't buy, in my opinion, because you will regret it instantly. What about the duffel bag?
It's super functional. It's lightweight.
Oh.
The zipper's so easy to
Okay, she's joking around. All right. When I told my wife I was going to do this video, she's like, you got to talk about the big expensive duffel bag. So in theory, these sound like a great idea, right? You think, oh, weekend getaway, or cool, a super badass bag that I can carry around and everybody's going to be like, yo, nice bag. Here's the deal. Whenever I'm walking through the airport and I see somebody with an expensive duffel bag on their shoulder, I automatically know they got sold. Then they're regretting it literally as they walk. Because these things, when you pack them, they're super freaking heavy. And then you're lugging it through, it's on your shoulder, you're walking through the airport or wherever you're going, it's heavy, it's uncomfortable, it doesn't have wheels, and these are a huge waste of money. Don't do it. Any boot or shoe that isn't comfortable immediately, all right? The whole like break it in thing is bullshit, all right? And the reason is because if it's too uncomfortable to wear or it rubs your ankles raw, you're not gonna wear it. And you're literally never gonna wear it. And if you don't wear it, it's a waste of money and you're gonna regret it instantly. Super trendy shoes, they gotta go. Any shoe that's like cheap, like fake plastic, you're gonna regret it, I promise. Upgrade to the real thing. Also, suits. A fast fashion suit in your mind is like, yo, it's a little less expensive and it's gonna, no, stop it. You're not gonna wear it. It's gonna look like shit. It's not gonna wear well. You should invest in something that's higher quality, all right? The fact is, cheap fashion suits suck. Trendy sunglasses, you will regret. Get something classic, something more aesthetically pleasing, and that's going to actually look good, not only today, but in like 5 years from now, all right? Something else is a watch. A fake watch, fake Rolex. I did it and instantly I regretted it because I was embarrassed to wear it. It was a huge, colossal waste of money. Almost as bad as Manscaped products. Kidding, not kidding, kind of kidding. Here's the deal. It's not that it's a bad product, but in my opinion, you're gonna regret buying any type of like cheap grooming tool that's kind of like trendy, that's like, ooh, it's gonna shave your sideburns and trim your nose and get your taint. No, you need a product that's built better, higher quality grooming tool. It's going to work not only for your beard, it's going to work for your hair, it's going to work for your balls. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Higher quality products, it makes a huge difference. All right, next thing, speaking of high quality, is fragrance. All right, you will regret spending $500 on Creed Aventus when you actually invested Rebel, because Rebel is going to give you the same amount of compliments, and instead of $450, this is literally like $50. Actually, it's less than that. Right now, limited time, $30. You're going to grab this. You're also going to get this bad boy. It is the Travel Sprayer, and this is honestly one of the greatest inventions ever, all right? It's a refillable sprayer. It's got a little atomizer on it, and the way that it works, all you do is pop the top off of your fragrance, and then that little nozzle, put it on, and pump, 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 pump it up. All right, you're filling up the little chamber in there. You pop it in your gym bag, in your dop kit, on the go. It's a great way to bring fragrance with you and smell amazing. And like I said, right now, guys, limited time, if you want to grab this deal, you can grab Rebel, which is heavily inspired by Creed Aventus. It's not a copy or clone, but if you like Creed Aventus, you're going to love this because instead of $450, you're getting it literally for $30. Expensive online courses taught by gurus, all right? So I'm just throwing it out there. If you're somebody that has bought any type of these like online courses because you saw an ad or you got caught up in the hype and then you bought it and you started going through it and you're like, this is kind of stupid. Everything they're teaching me, I could get for free out there on YouTube or ChatGPT. And the reality is that a lot of times when you actually buy or make one of these purchases, it's impulsive. At the time you were motivated, but motivation, it fades. What doesn't is your credit card bill. Range Rover. Don't say I didn't warn you. You will regret it, all right? Speaking of cars, any car that you get that's ultra, like super expensive that you actually can't afford. So when you buy an expensive car for the first month, you're like, damn, this thing is sick, right? You're loving it. And then you get your first bill and you're like, what the fuck did I do? A cheap chair or mattress, two things, all right? Instantly, you're gonna regret it. If you sit all day and you go with a cheap like office chair or some type of chair that you're sitting in all the time, you're gonna jack yourself up. It's not gonna take long for you to realize it was a huge waste of money and you regret not springing for the upper end, higher, better chair with lumbar support and a massaging thing for your balls, right? And your mattress? Yeah, that needs to be high quality too. If you cheap out, you're gonna have all sorts of issues. And while I'm here, why don't we talk about pillows? Because apparently I've got a few of them. All right, pillows are another one of those things. Invest in higher quality pillows and mattresses, not to mention sheets. You know, the thing that I think about is that you're here 7, 8, 9 hours a day, sleeping, doing sexy things. And if your situation that you're laying and spending all this time in isn't high quality, literally you're gonna wake up, you're gonna be all jacked up, you're not gonna enjoy it. Gentlemen, your bedding needs to be high quality or else you'll regret it. Stupid pet shit. All right, so I know you think it's cute. I know you're like, yo, that would be awesome. And I'm sure little boo-boo will love it. No, he won't love it. And neither will your other cats or dogs or whatever, right? The big trees or towers, even if it's a cute little fuzzy like house llama or just that stupid thing, they won't use it. It's a huge waste of money. And so are the outfits. All the outfits that you get tricked into buying when you go into a pet store, right? Like, oh my God, it's a costume. Little Fluffy would look so incredible in that little like elf. No, stop it. They're gonna wear it for about 2.5 seconds and then they're gonna be pissed off and you're going to never wear it again. And you're gonna realize you wasted the money. Brings me to home fitness equipment. Few things we gotta unpack. The cheap, like adjustable, like dumbbells that are like one set and you can adjust them and they're flimsy. Really? Is it worth it? If you use them, it is, which brings me to something else that's a waste of money, and that is anything you don't use. You've got to know you, and you've got to know if you buy something, will you use it? If not, you're going to literally regret it instantly, or it's going to sit there in your bedroom making you feel guilty because every time you see it, you're like, damn, I should be on that treadmill, but I'm not. And last but certainly not least, any clothing that you think, yeah, I think I'll wear that. You won't wear it. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Money, don't waste it. Why wear something, buy something that you know literally like instantly you're not going to enjoy, you're not going to wear, it's not going to last, and you're not going to love. If you don't love it, you're not going to wear it. If you don't enjoy it, you're not going to use it. If it doesn't last, throw it in the trash.